another video. In today's video, we are going to solve array to BST, and today's problem of the day is very much easy level question. And you can see last few days GFG recently just all POTD related to BST. You can see last 3 4 days all are. So you also know the basic concept of BST through our previous video. If you are not watch that video, please watch that video and practice GFG problem. Now go to first problem statement, and in problem statement we have given an sorted array and convert it into a height balanced binary search tree means BST and return the root of the BST. Okay, we have to goal to convert it height balance into a BST and return the root node. And what is height balance BST? Height balance BST means a binary tree in which depth of left subtree and right subtree every node are differ more than 1. Okay. Now note that driver code will be check the BST, and if it is a height balance BST, then the output will true, otherwise output will false. Okay, so we have to don't need about this because driver code will handle the height balance BST. It will check it is height balance BST or not. If it height balance BST, then it will return true. If it not, then it will return false. Okay, so what is our goal? Our goal is just have to we have to give a BST and a BST list array. Okay, you have to just give a array list, and then we have to give a BST. Okay, that's it. Then driver code will handle that BST is binary trees height balance or not. Okay, so in first example we have given this array. Our input nums we have given some integer value. Okay, it is like a array, you can see. Now uh, in this example you can see they or rearrange this BST using pre-order traversal. What means pre-order traversal? Pre-order traversal, like we traverse the BST using this path. First we traverse root path, root node, then left node, then right node. That's called pre-order traversal. Using this, follow this path. Okay, we traverse the BST, follow this path. But first, our input is like I write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like now if we create a binary tree, it will be like this. Now change the color. If we create normal binary tree, it will be like this: first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, like this. And this is called a binary tree. Binary tree. But it is not a height balance binary tree or a height balance BST. It is not. It is not a height balance BST. Okay. So if we create to height balance BST, what we need to do? We have to calculate the mid value of this given input nums. Then we create which one is mid value. Then we create the mid value to root node. Okay, just make it easy. Okay, just suppose this is given example. Okay, now to find mid value we take two pointer. One is starting pointer and what is end pointer. Start pointer and end pointer. Okay, this is start pointer and this is end pointer. Now to finding mid value, what we how can we find mid value? We find mid value starting and ending, starting node plus ending node by 2. Okay, or you can see we in mathematics we can do lowest lowest value plus highest value by 2. So in this example starting node is 1, right? Index like this is 0 index, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, now starting value is 1 1, and ending pointer is value is 4. Okay, good. Now 1 plus 4 by 2, it will be 5 by 2. Okay, and 5 divided by 2, it will come integer value like 2, 2.1, but we take integer value, not float value. So it will be 2. So index 2 value is this. Our mid value is 2. Okay, index value 1 and mid value will be 2. So in height balance bst, it will be like this. You can see it will be, first we write down 2, because 2 is the mid value, 2 is the mid value. So 2 will go to as root node. Then we create the lowest value of 2. Lowest value of 2 is 1 in this one, because lowest value come left side, so 1 will come left side. Then 3 is greater than 2, so 3 will come right side. And 4 also greater than 3, so 4 will come right side of 3. Okay, and you can see in this height balance vst, in this by hyperbalance waste or problem statement given, they are not more than one. Okay, so in this you can see this tree, this left side is node 1, but in right side total nodes 2. This left side is 1. 2 minus 1 means 1, difference are 1. So this is called a height balance tree. So in output, our driver code will return true, because this is handled by our driver code. Now go to next example. In next example, we have given same as nums, some integer list. Then we have just write down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we have to find the mid value. First we take a two pointer, first pointer from this start pointer and end pointer. Okay, now start pointer value is 1, 1 plus end pointer value is 7. 1 plus 7 by 2 means 7 plus 8, 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 is the mid value. This 4 is the mid value. Okay, now this 4 will be our root node. This 4 will be our root node. So in example, you can see the explanation 4 as root node represent. Then we have to we have to find the lowest, leftmost lowest value. So in this you can see 1 is the lowest value, so 1 will come over at the leftmost side node. So 1 will come over this side. Then 2 is greater than 1, so 2 will be the root node of this subtree. Then 3 is greater than 2, so 3 is come over right side of this subtree. Then 6 is greater than this 1, 2 and 3, so 6 will come over in right side. Okay, now right next value is 5. 5 is less than 6. So 5 will become our left side of this subtree, this side right side subtree. And 7 is greater than 6. So 7 will come over right side of 6. That's it. So in this example, we get, you can see the height balance. This is called height balance t. Why this tree? Because you can see there are this side node value is 2, and this, because 1 and 2 left and right are all are equal. And this last level, this is 0 level, this is 1 level, this is 3, 1 0 1 2. Okay, and level 2 node, how many nodes are there? 4 nodes. So it is also height balance, because all are balanced. You can see all are balanced. Okay, so in output it will return true, because we got a height balance VST. If it not height balance, then it will return false. Now, what is the time complexity of this? Time complexity of this O of n, both time and space complexity, because we traverse the BST at once, you can see at once we traverse all of the BST nodes. So we will return in O of n linear, all are linear equal. So it will be O of n both time and space complexity. Now go to code. In code first we check if our input array is empty. If our input array is empty, for that we write if not nums, because our input variable names are nums. If not nums, then it will return none. After that, we start the recursive function to create the BST. For that we create self self sorted array, because our input array is sorted, so it will be sorted array to BST. Then nums variable 0 plus 0 length check num lengths array nums, okay, minus 1. Then we define a function, sorted array function, okay, and sorted array to BST, sorted array to BST, self nums left and right side of node. Then we create a base case. If our left index is or left value node value is greater than right, then in that case subarray will be invalid. So for that we create a condition if left greater than right, then it will return invalid. So you can say none. Okay. And after that we calculate our middle element value of current subarray. So finding middle element, create a mid variable mid. How can you calculate mid left most value plus right most value divided by 2. And after that, what we'll do? We'll create a new node with middle element. After finding the middle element of current subarray. After that, we create a new node. Node will be the node and will so nums middle element. Nums middle element. And after that, we just recursively build our left subtree. To create a left subtree, we create node, okay, node left and self, okay, how many times? Self sorted, self sorted array to BST, and it will be nums from our given input list and left side nodes, and left side all nodes are always less than mid value, so it will be mid minus 1. Okay, always, because we can see in this given example our root value means mid value is 2, so 2 is greater than our left side value. All these case you can see mid value or root value always greater than left side all nodes value. You can see 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, all are less than root value. So we will create mid minus 1 to create left subtree. Then we create right subtree recursively. So for that we just copy this line and hit enter, Control B. Then we just make a simple change. We create right and self sorted array to BST. It will be right side all value are greater than mid value. So it will be mid plus 1 and right nodes all value. Then after this, we just simply return the current node value, current node. Okay. Okay, we had one more before compile. We just have one. This will be added in. Now compile and run. Now submit. Okay, we solved today's problem. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please, guys, you have not all are subscribed, so your subscribe is motivate me. You can see my health condition is not well, so in spite of this, I am doing this video for you. Please subscribe. Hope so. This video is helpful. See you next video. Till then, tada bye bye.